The EPA says, and I believe it to be true, that the air in your home is sometimes 4, 5, or 6 times dirtier or more polluted than outdoor air. You see, houses are built very, very tight these days. As a matter of fact, some houses are like living in a plastic bag, so nothing can get out of the house. Pollens, danders, volatile organic compounds, all the things that kind of float around in the air.
You know, it's such a thing now. You know, we all worry about what we eat and where the food comes from, and we worry about what we drink and where the water comes from. What about the air we breathe all the time? I mean, even as you're sleeping.
So contaminants in the air, I think if we all could have X-ray glasses like Superman and see what was floating around in the air, we would be pretty frightened. Every material in your home can produce some type of dust.
Odors, bacteria, viruses, 65, sometimes 68% of all the illnesses that you get are from the air that you breathe in.
So one sickness would typically lead to another, to another, to another, to another. And we really haven't had that problem anymore, which has been really amazing.
So I just think it was really important for us to take that stress out. I don't want to think about what might be floating around in my air.
Our old house, we could smell our dog for sure. And in this new house with the system, we don't have a problem with the dog smells and stuff, and kid smell.
When we say indoor air quality, the emphasis is on quality. It's on cleaning the air, humidifying the air, ventilating the air, dehumidifying the air, along with heating and cooling the air.